Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to use Canva AI art generation, then this video is for you. So right now you can see I'm on canva.com, so you have to go to canva.com, and if you don't have an account, then you have to create one and log into your account. After logging to your account, you can find the Canva AI option in this navigation bar at the left side of your screen. So you can find the Canva AI, simply click on it, and this AI will help you to create art or any type of image or any type of design that you want. Also, they can make drafts, they can make doc, they can also make code for you. They can also create video clip if you have premium plan purchased on this Canva. So first thing you have to do is, if you want to get art, so you have to simply click on design for me, simply click on it, and after selecting that design for me, you have to add digital art design for me, like robot age cool robots standing still or standing front of a futuristic aircraft. Digital art, and I have just told it like digital art, neon lights. So it's up to you how you can describe the prompts for you. So I have just described all of this, how it will look like, and the environment is yes, that's enough actually. So I'm going to send it, like simply click on this arrow icon to say submit this prompt here. Now you can see the AI is now thinking. So you have to choose the size from here. So I'm going to choose a size. So I'm going with the flyer here. Now you can see the AI is on it, so you have to wait until it creates it. So here you can see it has just created a flyer, so flyer here that you have give all of this from here, or you can go with more designs here. Also, let me create here that you can see the more designs just like this. Also, you can choose this is for flyer actually, so you can also copy this prompt here and just like this, and or you can do is you have to wait until it create the design for you. So here you can see it is just designing here. So with picture, city, skyline, neon, futuristic. So if I just give the more instruction, then it will change it through this instruction from here. So that's pretty much not accurate, but it's up to you how you can actually add the prompt and describe one on one with this AI and 100% correct. So that's how you can get your expected design. So I have just added the flyer, that's why it is just giving me flyer designs, so it's look like this. But if you have added any thumbnail or any image, so you can easily get some expected result from here. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.